In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate web page language on Microsoft Edge so you can easily understand content in different languages. First, open Microsoft Edge and visit a website that's written in a foreign language. If the language is different from your preferred one, you'll usually see a translation prompt appear in the address bar. This prompt gives you a quick option to translate the page. Click on the Translate option, choose your preferred language from the drop-down, and then click Translate. The page will reload in your selected language, making it much easier to read. If the automatic prompt doesn't appear, you can translate the page manually. Look for the Translate icon in the address bar and click it. Another option is to right-click anywhere on the page and select the Translate option from the menu. This will instantly translate the entire page. You can also adjust translation settings to make things smoother. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. Then open the Languages section. Turn on the option that says Offer to translate pages that aren't in a language I read. This ensures you'll always get a translation prompt when needed. That's it. With these simple steps, you can use Microsoft Edge to translate web pages quickly and browse content from around the world without language barriers.